Hi, welcome to another episode of CliffHangers. I'm Lisa and I'm the Insurance Coordinator at Uyghurs Financial and Benefits.
And I'm Marilyn, Insurance Administrator at Uyghurs.
And we're here today to talk to you about insurance. You might think that's not a real important topic because it's just insurance and it kind of runs itself, but it really is important to do that review with your advisor every year to update your planning. And we're here today in this beautiful park in Saskatoon to talk to you about that.
I think most people understand the value of meeting with their financial advisor on an annual basis to review their investment portfolios. So Lisa, why is it just as important to have an annual review to go over your insurance?
Annual reviews cover things that, circumstances change. So you may have got married, taken on debt, a mortgage, had children. Those things your advisor needs to know about so they can run a new needs analysis to see if you're at the proper coverage that you need for your planning.
And what is a CNA?
A CNA is a capital needs analysis, and that'll tell you if you're at the proper level. It takes into account maybe what you want to leave for final expenses, income to a surviving spouse, education fund for children, and any debt or mortgages. So based on that figure, you may want to increase or decrease your coverage depending on
So
that.
what are some of the other things that you may discuss at an annual review?
You'll definitely want to cover off any changes to name, address, anything that might affect your coverage. You might have left a group plan that leaves you without some coverage, health and dental. You'll want to cover that off to make sure all your bases are covered. You also want to make sure you have an updated beneficiary. I know that you do lots of beneficiary changes. Why does someone want to have their beneficiary updated?
Yeah, it's critical to have your beneficiary current because proceeds will be paid directly to that individual. We also encourage people to name secondary or contingent beneficiaries should the primary meet an untimely demise. Just as important as it is to have a beneficiary change, it is equally important that your insurance provider and your advisor have current contact information for you as well.
Yes, your advisor's office does receive notices from the carriers. So should you have missed paying a premium because you were on holidays, we'll get notification of that and we can let you know that your premium's in danger of lapsing. But if we don't have current contact information for you, we can't do that and you could be left without coverage and not even know it.
So what are some of the other things that your financial advisor should be aware of?
Your advisor should know if you have a current will, if you have a power of attorney. We may even want contact information for a beneficiary that isn't a close relative that might be hard to find in the case of a claim. All of this goes hand in hand with your overall financial planning, and it gives you overall peace of mind to keep all your ducks in a row for that planning.
So it's safe to say that an insurance policy that goes unserviced can cause you grief to yourself, to your beneficiary, or your intended beneficiaries if you were to pass away without current contact information or a current named beneficiary.
Yes. To make sure everything works fine in the event of a disability claim, a critical illness claim, a death claim, you'll just want to make sure everything's together. So remember to take the time to do an annual review with your advisor and make that planning happen.
If you hadn't had an annual review, I encourage you to contact your advisor. Set that date now. Thank you so much and have a nice day.